Can you see yourself in the 2019 Ford Flex? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. This Flex was designed with families in mind, from its spacious three-row seating layout to its host of creature comforts to its ample cargo space. This SUV has all the features you need to make everyday errands a breeze and build priceless road trip memories. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get into the Flex and give your family the gift of space, comfort, and convenience. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.